these are high pressure lines. That's a high pressure crimper, you know what I mean? For this is already pre-crimped from them. But once you cut it to fit however long you want it, then you crimp these, you know, the same way. I'm an instruction guy, you know. Some guys, what they do is they so good at their craft. It's almost a compliment. They so good at their craft. It's almost an insult to look at the instructions. You know what I'm saying? No, this gonna tell you all of the colors. Green, and yellow is 10, black is 6.
Standard is reduced area hose.
Oh, okay. So you gotta know which hose it is. Okay. What would a stand
Mr. Instruction guy.
Will it be a different VTSV Auto on the phone with Vintage Air right now? These are reduced barrier hoses, and we have them because they're cleaner, they're more flexible. That's why and they're smaller. So shout out Vintage Air on deck. Appreciate your help.
Not a problem, sir. You have a good day.
Thank you. All right. See, I would have went with standard, but instruction. Look, see, look, instructions make you say, "Hey, nigga, it is different."
What's the difference?
Yeah. Because I would have been the asshole wrong. Just be going on my, it looks standard. No, it's reduced barrier. So you need these now. So now we got to change it up. The 6 is black, okay, and the 10 is orange.
That to that. There's a beautiful crimp.
So when I was using the other one that went in, the bit had a gap. So now I see what the steps, those steps would hold it up tight to where it's good. Filling it up for the first time, you know, you gotta wait for the thermostat to open. So this will help it burp to where you don't have the air stuck in there. You know what I'm saying? Premium grade components.
I'm applying what they call primer. The glue can't stick directly to the surface. I have to scuff it down with like a little light sandpaper, and then I apply this stuff. I give it 5 minutes, and then once it dries, I apply another coat. This is like a 2-in-1. It helps stop rust, and then it also is a bonding agent that helps the urethane when I apply it.
When I first saw it, I thought it was the glue.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
people always think, they're like, what, that's the glue? Nah.
So he told me, like, when I was telling him about the car, this is our glass guy, so anytime we get to his stage putting a new one in, like, he'll be back next month for Lofton to put his glass in. Like, he's very, like, some people, when I be talking about cars, they be like, yo, be passionate about cars. You know, they'll say that. I'm gonna say the same thing about him with the glass work. So shout out to our glass guy. If y'all wanna get in contact with him, we'll let you know how to do that, you know. But when I walked up, I was like, yo, this is the glue. He was like, no, this is the primer I was telling you about, you know what I'm saying? Pretty expensive stuff. But like he said, you know, it makes where he can tell somebody I'm gonna give you a warranty on it. He knows it's done the right way. So You know, here at VTSV Auto, that's the only way we want it done, baby, the right way. So if you touching one of these cars, you definitely are excellent at your craft. Like, that's what we're looking for. So
I run across other people's stuff where it's been done before. As soon as I pull that off, I see all the mistakes. They scrape the surface and they don't prime it, stop the rust. So now I gotta come in with a grinding wheel, composite wheel, grind it down and get it out, and then I gotta treat the surface. So it makes it harder on me when I come behind people, you know. And I'm professionally trained over 10 years in the business. So, you know, I definitely toot my own horn.
where you
Because,
worked at before?
Safe Light Autoglass, they trained me from 2013 all the way up to 2023.
So you do not only old cars, you do new cars as well?
G-Wagons, Mercedes, Audis, Beamers,
What about a semi-truck?
semi-trucks. I do all them Teslas. I do all them Infinities.
You need your glass done. We gonna get you right. Yeah, we gonna get my guy up here, man. We gonna get you right, man. Big boy certified glass going in the right way, man. Nothing less.
And my business is called BJ Durtsman Autoglass. 352-888-0404. 352-888-0404. And I warranty all my work. If it's an issue or whatnot, then I'll come back and correct that. You know, I don't put people off or whatever. What I'm doing now is called decontamination. What it is, the oil on your fingers contaminates the surface where you do the bonding of the glass. So these gloves are very important to keep you from contaminating the surface. Everywhere oil is at on this glass, it will not stick. It will appear to stick, but it won't stick and it will leak. You see how that did that? When this stuff hits it, it bubbles like acid. Them fingers right there. And this is what they call a power scrub. Piece of foam, but it takes it right off. I got it on 6.